Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Yahoo Finance. By turning on dark mode on Yahoo Finance, all the background of Yahoo Finance application will be turned black. To do that, first open your Yahoo Finance application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now here you can see my background color of my Yahoo Finance application is white. Now tap on account option on down right corner. Then tap on settings option on the top. Now here you can see various of settings feature. Now here you can see dark mode option. Tap on dark mode. Now here you can see three kind of features within dark mode. If you tap on system default option, then your background will be changed according to the system default that is set up on your phone. If it is on dark mode, then your application will also be set on dark mode. To turn on the dark mode only on Yahoo Finance application, tap on option. With this, now your dark mode on Yahoo Finance application will be turned on. As you can see here, my background of my Yahoo Finance application has been turned dark. This is how we can turn on dark mode in Yahoo Finance. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.